Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by backing up your important data, then install an iOS-style launcher and icon packed to change the visual layer. Once done, make sure gesture navigation is enabled so swipes feel like iPhone. This replaces the traditional navbar. Also set your refresh rate and hide app labels to match iPhone aesthetics. These steps give you the foundational interface, fast, visual, and consistent, so everything else you add sits on a stable, predictable base. Next, replicate core behaviors. Install a Control Center clone and arrange quick toggles to match iPhone layout, because accessibility and fast settings matter for daily use. Then add a messaging app skin or service that imitates iMessage look and feel. Make sure notification threading and badges sync correctly. For interactions, enable assistive touch and adjust haptic feedback intensity to mimic taps. Consider Face ID alternatives for biometric convenience. Together, these finally polish the setup. Set default apps that behave like iPhone apps, lock the home screen layout so icons stay put, and export your launcher settings as a backup. Test every gesture and quick toggle. Adjust animation speeds to match iOS pacing. If something breaks, clear the launcher cache first, then reset app permissions or reinstall the offending app. This fixes most conflicts. If problems persist, revert just the launcher before more invasive resets, so you preserve data and fine-tuning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.